Today I'll show you this viral, easiest high messy bun that work every time. So you want to divide all the hair into 2 equal sections like I'm showing. If you want, you can leave your bangs in the front to frame your face or not, this is totally optional. Then you want to gather one of those sections, bring it up, and you want to detangle it well. And smoothing it out, you want to tie it with an elastic, making a high ponytail. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through. And then you want to repeat with your section left, so you want to brush it well, tie it with a clear elastic, and last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Then bringing your fingers through the loops created, you want to bring one of the loops through another one like I'm showing and stretch it a bit. Make sure they are both meeting on the top like so, and then you want to pin it from both sides. Now grabbing your ends, you want to crisscross them in the front and hide it under the bun if your hair is shorter like mine, or you want to wrap it several times around your bun before hiding it under the bun and pinning it in place. Also, if your back parting is showing, make sure to brush it with your fingers and use a grip or a pin to fix it, and use some hairspray if needed. And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's high messy bun. It turns out so beautifully every time. But that's it for today. And love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!